Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw these cats. I'm going to start by drawing an oval shape. I'm drawing a triangle for the ear and a smaller triangle inside, and I'm doing one on each side, and then I'm drawing two big circles for the eyes. In each eye I'm going to draw one big circle and one little circle. I'm drawing a small triangle for the nose and the mouth, and then I'm adding eyelashes. I'm drawing two kind of paws at the front. They're just two straight lines down and I'm curving them at the end. And then I'm adding the kind of back feet kind of thing. And then I'm adding little lines to add some details on the feet. I'm then drawing a second oval for the smaller cat, and I'm adding the ears. On this one I'm going to add a small bow, but it's the same process as the other cat. And then I've added eyebrows on both cats because I forgot the first time. For the tails, I'm going to have them kind of in a heart shape, so I'm drawing one side of the heart with one tail and the other side with the other tail. It looks quite cute. I've got a black fine liner, and then I'm going to draw over all the pencil lines on the eye. Got black Sharpie and coloured it in, leaving the two circles that we drew white. Pause this video now and go in black line over all the pencil lines that we drew. Once you finish black lining, get a rubber and rub out all the pencil lines that are still left underneath. Got myself a blue pen and I'm going to colour in the first cat. For the smaller cat I use pink. With the darker blue I'm starting to shade the first cat, so I'm shading all on the left side, following all the lines that we drew. myself a purple and I'm going to colour in the bow. Then with the white pen I'm going to do highlights on the right side of the face. I'm just drawing little lines. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you next time.